Hi, it's me again. I am going to show you basically an unboxing, because I haven't even seen it yet, of an item I just received, and I'll give you the quick story behind it. I have had, sorry, I've been running around. I have had this bag since 1984, I believe. Very, very similar to the new one that has come out from Gucci. I used this forever. I was a sophomore in college at the time, and it just went everywhere with me. I love it to pieces. It has seen better days, but it's still in very good condition. And it was my very first Gucci purse. It was just the best. And I'm so happy to have had it, and I love this bag, and I'm keeping it forever. Well, as you know, the new ones came out, one very similar to this, in this exact same size, basically, and the very tiny one, the little mini. Well, I already have this size, so I had to check out the mini. And I was thinking about it, and then I thought, you know what? Going by the measurements, it doesn't look like my iPhone 8 will fit in it. So I was like, hemming and hawing, and that wouldn't work at all for me if my phone doesn't fit. So I didn't think anything more of it. Well, then I met a friend for coffee at Starbucks, and she brought hers. I didn't know she had it. So she was carrying hers. I'm like, oh my gosh. So I checked, and my phone does fit in it, and I'm like, oh yes, perfect. So let's open this. And I only know that my phone fits. I'm not sure what else I can get in it and if it will be still, worth it or not, but let's find out. And here's the box. Let's open her up. It's the dust bag. Cute, very silky, so cute. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. So here it is, the OPHIDIA, OPHIDIA, the mini. So cute. So itty bitty, but so cute. Oh, I guess like a lip gloss would fit in there. Nice zipper. Cute. See how similar? It does have this one slip pocket here. It's like a microfiber kind of a material. It does have this keychain thing attached that you can slip out with a toggle. It's got like a toggle clasp. See, it's got like a toggle to it, so it can just slip right out of it, so you don't have to have this attached. That's really neat. I like that. Okay, so the moment of truth. This is an iPhone 8 Plus, and it does fit in there. It's not a struggle, which is wonderful. And as you can see, there's still some room. So I'll have to see what else I can get in there to see what I think. So yeah, how fun. Is this not the cutest thing? I of course have a very soft spot for this print, for this coloration, this whole size, this whole style. It just totally brings back my first Gucci love. So yeah, I'm excited. I will play with this and let you know what I can get in it, and I will come back and let you know. So first off, here it is. Love this little guy, and we'll see. Thanks.